Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Learn Igbo on igboticnono. Please, if you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family because it's going to make me happy, and also because YouTube is going to recommend it to a wider range of people. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be learning about Igbo culture, traditions, language and customs. Hope you're ready for this video. Let's dive into the video. Okay, Igbo people are a large ethnic group in Nigeria with a rich tradition, with a rich culture and tradition that has been passed down through generations. Okay, here are some key aspects of the Igbo culture and tradition. I'm going to be talking about the language. The Igbo language is a tonal language with over 20 million speakers. It is one of the 4 official languages of Nigeria, along with English, Hausa, and Yoruba. The language is rich in proverbs, idioms, metaphors that are used to convey deep meanings and wisdom, just like I did in my last video, the Igbo proverbs, meaning and origin. If you've not watched it, I'll be leaving the link in my description. It's very interesting. And now I'm going to talk about the custom and tradition. This is going to have 1, 2, 3 because of course Igbo culture is very rich. We have rich culture and traditions, and we're going to have more than one of them. Okay, so here we're going to talk about marriage. Yes, we're talking about the customs and traditions of Igbo language. And what are we not talking about if we don't start with marriage? Marriage in Igbo culture is a sacred institution and involves the union of 2 families. The groom is expected to pay a bride price to the bride's family, which is a symbolic gesture of appreciation for the bride upbringing. Yes. Okay. The wedding ceremony is usually accompanied by the traditions, dancers, music, and festing. Okay, traditional dancers, music, and festing. Traditional dances, music, and festing. Of course, see, I'm just smiling. This is just reminding me when I did my traditional marriage, because this is just what it is. Okay, we pay the bride price, and bride price varies from villages to villages or from towns to towns. But the thing about the bride price in Igbo language is just we're trying to let the man that is coming for our daughter that our daughter is priceless. Yes, it's priceless. At the same time, it's worth it. Do you understand? And when you hear this bride price, it's not millions, thousands of naira. You can imagine probably the girl you're coming to marry is 19, 20, 21 naira, but you can't calculate the money that they have been used to train that child. But at the end of the day, bride price can be 10 naira. What can you use 10 naira and buy in Nigeria? Nothing. It can be 5 naira. What can you use 5 naira and buy in Nigeria? Nothing. But it's just the culture. Okay, so when you hear bride price in Igbo language, when you hear the bride price in the eastern part of Nigeria, don't think that is to buy house, buy yam, buy build road. No, just like some people indicate. No, it's just a symbolic gesture of appreciation for the bride's upbringing. Okay, and now we're going to talk about the naming in Igbo language, which is aligned with the first, like I said, it's aligned with the first, all the things coming together, the customs and the tradition. Okay, naming ceremony, anything you can call it. In Igbo culture, names has deep meaning and are chosen with great care. Okay, a child's name is often chosen based on the circumstances surrounding the child's birth, the family history, or the child's personality. Yes, I agree with this. Let's say in the days of our parents, but now I don't totally agree with it, that it must be aligned with the child's family history or the child's birth or the child's personality. It's no longer a deep thing as such before, but yes, even as at now, some people still give their child's name based on the personality, based on the incident that happened during the childbirth. Maybe it was a difficult childbirthing, and at the end of the day, God showed this power. They might name the child Chidibube, Chiamaloka, Chiemeka. Means God is great, God has done well. Yes, it still happens. Family history. Some people who are still indebted to these traditions and culture, they still inculcate this and it's well accepted. Okay, And this, during the naming ceremony, it's usually a very big feast. Yes, in Igbo culture, though some now, because of the of course the inflation, there's no money anywhere. People don't practically practice this more now, but within the family we do that. Okay. Number 3 here is the religion. The Igbo people have a rich spiritual tradition which includes belief in the supreme being, ancestors, worship, okay, and in the use of divination to communicate with the spirit world. Christianity and Islam have also been introduced to Igbo people, and many now practice these religions alongside with their traditional belief. This is 100% correct. I don't want to mention some villages that practice this a lot. They go to church, they go to Islam, but they have these 3, and they have this white clothes, and they have this chalk. That's still practicing their tradition. But who am I? They say you shouldn't serve 2 masters at a time, but who am I to judge? So let's just go over to the next one, which is the arts and the crafts. The Igbo people are known for their intricate, look for your dictionary, intricate wood carving, okay? Igbo people are known for their intricate wood carving, poetry, weaving, bead making. Yes, we make bead making. The crafts are often used to tell stories, convey important messages, to decorate the home. We are very handy, we are very industrious. I just said that. If you want to know the history of Igbo, so you don't be bullied again like the bullies on social media, that Igbos must go, Igbos are this. This is just jealousy, and it's just from the Bible. The great people are always being jealous. If you don't just put this, when they had Biafra war, they took everything the Igbo had, they burnt everything we had, they killed everybody we have. But at the end of the day, look at where we are. We still pass them. So this envy is rooted from their blood, and we can't do anything about it. But just remember that anyone who is envious of people like this, God is always beside them. We are very handy. Anything we put our hand is successful. Anything we go into is successful. Any business we start is successful, to the extent that it has generally been said that any country you visit and you don't see any Igbo person there, you should just come out, because that country, it's not what a successful country. It's not what a place to make money, because the Igbo people, we have foresight to know where the riches can be gotten from. We have foresight to know where the gold can be digged from. Okay, I'll go over to the next one, which is the masquerades. Masquerades are common. Yes, masquerade is a common feature of Igbo culture and are usually performing during festivals and other important occasions. These masquerades often represent spirits and are believed to have the power to bring good fortune, blessings, and protection to the community. I don't know about these spirits of this masquerade bringing fortunes and protection. This is been in our olden times when Christianity was not crowded. I'm a Christian now, so I can't really say about this now. Masquerade is masquerade. Some people believe in it. Some people believe it brings fortune for them. But what I know, or what I've tend to understand in this world, just like they say, there is no money ritual, is that we all have destiny. Some people are destined to be rich. Some people are destined to be intermediately rich. Some people are destined to be very, very extremely rich. And when this your destiny is manifesting, you would think it's your masculine that is doing it. So I don't just know, but I'm just speaking of generally what Igbo tradition, culture, and what have you is. Okay, so move over to the next one, which is the last but not the least. Food. What is the way to a man's heart? Food. Igbo man loves food. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you can watch my video on what I said the characteristics of Igbo men. Go and watch it. I have some Igbo men series video I put on my channel. I'm gonna look for it. It's about 6 or 8 of them. Watch it. Now we're talking about the food. Igbo cushions. What did I say? Igbo cushions is diverse. It includes varieties of soup, stew, delicacies. What did I say? Delicacies. Yamo, cassava, plantain, staple food. They are often pounded though. in a dough-like consistency and serve this soup. As I mean the yam and the cassava and the plantain, some people pound it in a consistency that you can serve it with soup. Food is a typical Igbo culture. We love food, we love varieties of food, we love festing with food, we love it so much. Okay, so overall is Igbo cultures and traditions are rich and diverse, okay, and are the important part of Nigeria cultural heritage, period. Okay, if they don't see us, they don't want us to go. Automorphone. Even we say automorphone, you don't want us to. What do we do now? So guys, thank you for watching. This is just about the video, and if you've not subscribed yet, please try not to do so. Share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.